My name is Edith. I'm 16 years old and I study at Jefferson High School. A typical day for me starts with the sound of my alarm beeping at 6:30 a.m. I drag myself out of bed and get ready for the day. First, I head to the bathroom to freshen up, brush my teeth, wash my face. Then, I put on my favorite playlist to get me moving. It's a mix of pop and indie songs to get me pumped for the day ahead. Then, I pick out my outfit for the day and get dressed. After that, I head downstairs to grab some breakfast. For breakfast, I always go for a bowl of cereal with some fresh fruit and a glass of orange juice. Sometimes I'll have toast with peanut butter and banana slices. It's the perfect way to kickstart my day. Then I grab my backpack and head out the door to catch the bus at around 7:45. It's a short ride, and I get to school at 7:55 a.m. My school starts at 8 a.m., and I always take care not to be late. School is a blast. I love getting to learn new things and hang out with my friends. My first class is usually English or math. I enjoy my classes, especially the ones where we get to discuss books or solve challenging problems. After a few classes, it's time for recess and lunch. I usually bring a packed lunch from home, and it's always something delicious. But sometimes I'll buy a slice of pizza or a sandwich from the cafeteria. Lunchtime is always a great chance to catch up with my friends and refuel for the afternoon. School finishes at 3 p.m. After school, I usually enjoy having a snack of yogurt and granola. It's the perfect way to recharge before diving into my next activities. I'm part of the student council, so I often have meetings or events to attend. I also play on the school's basketball team, so I have practices a few times a week. On days when I don't have a meeting or practice, I like to hang out with my friends at the park or go shopping at the mall. When I finally get home around 6 p.m., it's time to unwind. I usually start by changing into comfy clothes, maybe catching up on a TV show or chatting with my family. Then it's time for dinner around 7 p.m. My mom makes a delicious dinner for us, and we all sit down together to eat and talk about our day. I love getting to catch up and spend time together with my family. Other times we go out to eat at a restaurant. We usually go to our favorite Italian restaurant or the burger place down the street. I love their fries. They are delicious. After dinner, I tackle my homework and study for upcoming tests. I like to be prepared, you know. Once that's done, I enjoy some quiet time to read or listen to music. Finally, as the night winds down, I follow my evening routine. Shower, skincare, getting into bed with a book. By 10 p.m., it's lights out for me.
My home. Welcome to my house. Come on in. Let me show you around. It's a big one with 4 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, a garage, a basement, a laundry room, and a huge backyard. I live here with my parents and 2 siblings. Let me tell you all about it. Let's start with the living room. It's my favorite place to hang out with my family. We have a big, cozy couch, a flat-screen TV, and a fireplace. The walls are painted a calming blue color. And we have family photos and artwork hanging up. It's the perfect spot to relax and watch movies together. Oh, you have to see the kitchen. It's spacious and bright, with plenty of counter space for cooking and baking. We have stainless steel appliances, a large dining table, and a pantry stocked with all our favorite snacks. I love helping my mom cook dinner in here. My bedroom is my sanctuary. I have a loft bed with a cozy reading nook underneath. My walls are covered in posters of my favorite bands and superheroes. I have a desk for doing homework and drawing, and a beanbag chair for lounging. It's my favorite place to hang out and relax after school. My sister's room is right next to mine. She loves all things pink and girly, so her room is decorated with fairy lights, stuffed animals, and posters of unicorns. My little brother's room is filled with toys, action figures, and a race car bed. We all have our own unique spaces that reflect our personalities. My favorite part of the house overall is definitely the basement. It's like a whole other world down there. We have a home theater with a huge screen for movie nights, a game room with a pool table and foosball, and a mini kitchenette for snacks. It's where we host sleepovers and hang out with friends. I'm really lucky to have such a wonderful place to call home.
My family. Hey everyone, I'm Emily, I'm 15 years old, and I'm so excited to share with you all about my amazing family. We're pretty close-knit, and we have so much fun together. So, let me introduce you to my siblings. Leo is the youngest at 10 years old. He's got the brightest blue eyes you've ever seen. He's always full of energy, like a little puppy running around. He loves playing soccer with his friends. Katie is 12, and she's the creative one in the family. She has long, flowing blonde hair and a gentle smile. Katie is always drawing or painting something, and she dreams of becoming a famous artist one day. She can be a bit moody at times, but we all know it's just her artistic side. And then there's Ryan. He is 17, tall and sporty, with a charming smile that makes all the girls swoon.
Oh.
He's the responsible one in the family, always looking out for us. Ryan has short black hair and a kind, calm demeanor. He loves playing basketball and is always practicing to improve his game. He's like a mentor to Leo and always sets a good example for us. As for our parents, they own a bakery in town. Mom is the creative baker with a flair for making delicious cakes and pastries. Dad is the business mind behind the operation, always coming up with new ideas to keep the bakery thriving. We all pitch in at the bakery when we can, helping out with simple tasks like packaging cookies or cleaning up. It's a real family affair, and we love spending time together. In terms of our daily routines, we're pretty organized. Mom and Dad set strict rules for us to follow, like doing our homework before playtime, helping with household chores, and no electronics at the dinner table. It keeps us disciplined and teaches us responsibility. We also make sure to spend quality time together as a family, whether it's watching movies on weekends, going for walks in the park, or playing board games. These moments mean everything to us and strengthen our bond. Overall, I feel so grateful to have such a loving and supportive family. We may have our disagreements and arguments at times, but at the end of the day, we always have each other's backs. I wouldn't trade them for anything in the world.
My job. Hey there, I'm Thomas, a general surgeon at this big hospital. My job is pretty intense, but I love it. I spend most of my time in the operating room, conducting surgeries or consulting with patients. As a general surgeon, my responsibilities are varied. I perform a wide range of surgeries, from routine procedures to complex operations. I work closely with a team of nurses, radiologists, anesthesiologists, and other medical and healthcare staff to ensure the best possible outcomes for my patients.
All doctors to the ER.
I often work late into the night, especially when emergencies come in. It can be exhausting, but knowing that I'm making a difference in people's lives keeps me going. To stay at the top of my game, I have to continue learning throughout my career. Medicine is constantly evolving. So I attend courses, conferences, meetings, and workshops to stay up to date on the latest advancements in my field. I also pursue research projects to contribute to the broader medical community. There are definitely aspects of my job that I love. The thrill of successfully completing a challenging surgery. The gratitude of my patients. And the camaraderie of my team. All of that makes it worthwhile. But there are also things I dislike. The stress can be overwhelming at times, especially when dealing with life or death situations. And the emotional toll of losing a patient, despite my best efforts, is something that never gets easier. Overall, though, I wouldn't trade this job for anything. It's challenging, fulfilling, and pushes me to be the best version of myself every day. Anyway, that's a glimpse into my life as a general surgeon.
My hometown. Aloha, everyone! I'm Melanie, and I'm here to give you an insider's perspective on the tropical paradise that I call home, Honolulu, Hawaii. Just look at this breathtaking view behind me. Isn't it just paradise? I've lived in Honolulu my whole life, and let me tell you, there's no place like it. The warm weather, stunning beaches, and welcoming spirit of the locals make it truly special. There's so much to do in Honolulu. From surfing to snorkeling in crystal clear waters, or hiking through lush rainforests. The outdoor activities here are endless. Some of the must-see tourist attractions include Waikiki Beach, where you can catch the most breathtaking sunsets, and Diamond Head Crater, which is the most famous landmark in Hawaii. When it comes to food, Honolulu has a rich culinary scene. You have to try local favorites like poke bowls, loco moco, and of course, shave ice. The flavors are out of this world. Holidays and festivals in Honolulu are nothing short of spectacular. Whether it's the vibrant colors of the annual Aloha festivals or the excitement of New Year's Eve fireworks, there's always something fun going on. One of my favorite things about Honolulu is the vibrant culture. From the colorful street markets to the diverse art scene, there's always something new and exciting to explore. What I love most about Honolulu is the sense of community. Whether it's coming together for a backyard barbecue or celebrating local traditions, there's a real sense of connection here. Overall, living in Honolulu is a dream come true. The natural beauty, the rich culture, and the welcoming community make it a place like no other. I'm proud to call this vibrant city my home.
My hobbies. Hey everyone! It's Nathan here, and I'm so excited to talk to you about my favorite hobbies and passions. So, let's dive right in. First off, one of my all-time favorite activities is rock climbing. Whether I'm climbing with friends or going solo, It's an experience like no other. The feeling of reaching the top of a rock wall, it's simply exhilarating. I also enjoy cycling. I often go cycling with my friends on the weekends, and it's always a blast. We explore new routes and discover hidden gems along the way. Now, when I want to unwind and relax, I head to the beach. I love spending hours just lying on the sand, soaking up the sun, and occasionally taking a dip in the ocean to cool off. Another hobby I have is photography. Whether it's a stunning sunset at the beach or the vibrant colors of a cityscape, I love experimenting with different angles and compositions to create that perfect shot. When I'm not out exploring the great outdoors, you can often find me in my kitchen cooking up a storm. I have a real passion for cooking and experimenting with new recipes. From savory dishes like homemade pasta to sweet treats like decadent cakes. I love getting creative with ingredients and flavors. And of course, what's a hobby without sharing it with friends? I host regular dinner parties where I get to showcase my culinary creations and bond with my closest pals over good food and great conversation. There's something special about coming together around a meal, sharing stories, and creating lasting memories. In the evenings, I unwind by indulging in my love for music. I play the guitar. It's my way of expressing myself and unwinding after a long day. Sometimes I even jam with my friends, creating our own little musical symphony. So, as you can see, my hobbies are a big part of who I am. They bring me joy, fulfillment, and a sense of adventure. Whether I'm out in nature, in the kitchen, or playing music, I'm always in my element. Thanks for listening to me ramble about the things I love. I hope you find your own passions that light up your life just like mine do for me.